Good morning, everyone. So if you've gotten a new computer, or maybe you just need this for your old computer, you kind of realize that you no longer get the installation CDs. If you had to wipe and reinstall your computer. With Windows 10, you usually have the option of doing that from the built-in recovery partitions. But if your hard drive goes bad and you have to replace your hard drive, you no longer have the disks. What do? Well, one, you gotta have a flash drive. So make sure you've got one of those. You can pick them up just about anywhere. They're reasonable. You need at least an 8 gig. I don't think they make them that small anymore, but you just need a flash drive. And then the next thing you need to do is you need to go over to the Microsoft website to look for the media creation tool. This is what you're looking for here. You can type into Google, Yahoo, whatever. It should come up as Microsoft.com, software downloads, Windows 10. You click there, it'll take you over to the Microsoft website. Yeah, I want to block it. So Windows 10 download. The media creation tool is here. So you just click it. It'll download. And it'll go to your computer. Now, if you have an older computer, the first time you're doing this, it might not like the Windows updates. Simply because of, compatibility issues with the older versions. So this October update here, and this is going to vary from quarter to quarter or half year to half year. I can't remember how Microsoft does it, but this is just an update assistant program. So it allows you to get the first 2 or 3 major updates through. Not a bad idea to have it also. But you can also, once you get the Windows 10 installed, you can come back to this website and download this and use this to get the majority of your updates into your computer before using the Windows update that's built into the computer. So once you have it downloaded, of course I'm using Firefox for this one. If it's Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, it shows up down here, but I got Firefox for this particular episode. It shows up here. Yeah, I've done it twice because I started this video before. So you go over here, you plug your flash drive in, make sure it's visible and seen. And then you just run the installer. And what it will do is we'll put Windows 10 on your flash drive and make it bootable. That's the nice thing, because then if you need to boot your computer from your flash drive to install it, reinstall it, make repairs, you could do that because you don't get the discs anymore. And for those who are us who are really old, the 3.5-inch discs, but you don't get a CD or DVD anymore. So you can use this. And like I said, once you get started, you agree to the terms. It's always got a few things to do. So, and we'll close the browser here. Close that. Now, the thing you have to remember is when you're using a flash drive, make sure it is already blank. If you have information that is stored on this flash drive, when it starts this process, it will be erased and erased forever. Even I can't do a data recovery to get it back. So you're going to create a installation media onto a flash drive. Next, it's going to ask you some basic information. Yep. You're going to do a flash drive. Needs at least 8 gigs. Like I said, I don't think they make them that small anymore. Using an ISO is if you want to burn it to a DVD. If you have a DVD burner, I don't even know, a lot of computers nowadays I'm seeing don't have DVD drives in them. So flash drive is the way to go. And then you just click next. Select the USB flash drive. I believe this is E. Let me double check. Yes, it is. And that's important because if you install it on your C drive, bad things. And then it will start with the installation. There you go. It's going to download in Windows 10, and this will take a while. So you just let it finish. It will finish what it's going to do, and then when it's ready, it'll let you know. And at that point, I'm going to pause the video for the moment because it will take a moment to download. I will be right back in just a moment. Alright, so we're back. We're at 95%, 96%, 97%, 98%, 99%. You know you do this. Oh, now it's going to verify the download. I forgot it does that. Once it downloads it, it downloads it again to make sure it's correct. So we might have to pause it here. Oh, nope, there it goes. Now it's creating it. So, okay, there's the progress. I'm looking at the flash drive. I don't see it blinking and flashing yet, but it will here soon. Like I said, I'm probably going to pause it here so we can put this way. You don't have to wait. Be right back. Just a quick interjection here. At a 48%, the flash drive started blinking, so information is being written to it. We're at 51% now. Now it's doing the physical work, so it's going to be a little bit longer. So like I said, I'll pause this video and I'll come back to you when it's almost done. Alright, and we're back. The progress has just now hit 100%. There you go. It says now your USB flash drive is ready. We're going to click finish, so it finishes up the process. This may take a few minutes. That's normal. And there we go. Now, if you want to look at it to see what it looks like, you just go into your File Explorer, the yellow folder in the bottom toolbar. There should be, you know, the drive that you sent it to. In this case, it was drive E. You can look in there. That is the setup program, and if we run it, it should pop up the Windows 10 startup process. So yeah, so if you're upgrading from Windows 7, Windows 8 to Windows 10, you can do this also. If your Windows 7, Windows 8 keys are still valid, you should be able to upgrade to Windows 10 without any problems, because they usually carry over the keys. There you go. It's talking about installing Windows 10. Excellent. So that's what we wanted to see. So anyways, yes, if you're upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 8, and you can use this flash drive to upgrade those computers. And as I said, if your license keys on those computers are still valid, you should be able to upgrade with no problems. If they're not valid, because if you know that program or those keys have been used multiple times, or they have been reinstalled multiple times, you'll have to buy a new set of keys. This is true also if you put a new hard drive in your machine, and you have to install Windows 10, unless there is a sticker on your bottom of your brand new laptop, and most times there isn't anymore. Unless there's a sticker on the bottom that gives you the keys, you have to buy a new key. And I think that is running about $139 through the store. You can go to Staples and get them, and of course that runs you about $150 to $180. Helps when I can spell. Fake, fake, fake. Don't believe those. Get it from a legitimate source. Those fake keys, yeah. No. $139 from Microsoft. If you need the Pro Edition, it's $200. If you need the really, really big program, $309. And these are legit, so you know there'll not be a problem with the keys. I see this crap all the time. Most of the times those keys only last for 6 months and then they die. And then it starts reporting your program as an illegal copy of Windows. So yeah, buy legit keys or go to Staples and buy it and go from there. But that's how you make your flash drive for Windows 10 for reinstalling or updating from Windows 7, Windows 8 to Windows 10. And yeah, it's just a waiting game most of the time. And you just plug it in, boot from it, and you go from there. So if you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. You need to get those numbers up. If you don't have a YouTube account or a Google account, you can always go over to Facebook, like our Facebook page, and you get the notices there also. In the video description, there is the link for donations and also our webpage and what stuff we have for sale. We've got laptops and desktops until the end of the year. Well, it's going to be past the end of the year when that comes through, so gift certificates are no longer going to be on sale when you see those. But yeah, there's links in the description for various things. Thank you and have a great day. Talk to you later.